What's up, guys? All I'm hearing is everybody is sick and tired of the Chiefs going to the Super Bowl and winning, except for, of course, the Kansas City fans, right? But anyway, here's some reasons why you want the Kansas City Chiefs to win and the Philadelphia Eagles to get blasted, or at least just get beat when it comes to if you have any money in the stock market, economic-wise, because take a look at this crazy chart. This is from Carson Wealth Management. I'm going to bring myself up here on the bottom so I can talk a little bit about this. But take a look at this chart up here, guys. This goes all the way back to 1910 when the Philadelphia teams have won either the World Series or the Super Bowl. So the Philadelphia Athletics started back in 1910 when they won the World Series. Look what happened all the way over there to the right. I'll blow this up so you can see it. The panic of 1910 and 11, 25% bear market. Well, guess what happened? They won the World Series again, and then 1911, and another panic still going on, 12 months recession. Then they win it in 1913. These guys were dominating the baseball world. Another recession, and World War I was right around the corner. Not good. Then in 1929, oh, well, the Philadelphia Athletics won again. Guess what happened then? The crash of 1929, down 84%, guys. This is absolutely insane. And then in 1930, the year later, they go back to back. The Great Depression is going on. I mean, we don't want Philadelphia to win. And there's even more proof. Philadelphia Phillies World Series winners in 1980. You know what was going on there? Had a lot of high inflation, all kind of stuff. And we had the double dip recession of the early 1980s, massive inflation. I think it was like interest rates of 16% to buy a house. You think they're bad right now? It's 7%, 7.5%. Whew, not good. Then the Phillies happened to win in 2009, or excuse me, 2008. The financial crisis, guys, the mortgage meltdown. This is not good. Philadelphia cannot win this Super Bowl. And then the Eagles win. And these are all the baseball team. And then the Eagles proceed to win the Super Bowl in 2018. That was the worst stock year since 2008. We do not want, if you're not a Chiefs fan, I understand, but, and obviously this is not any proof anything's going to happen, all right? So don't invest based on this. LPO Financial's not affiliated with this research. I'm not affiliated with it, but I just thought this was remarkable. And then if you go look at the Chiefs, when they, actually, let me back up. Do you realize that the Philadelphia Athletics became the Kansas City Athletics? I think it was in 1959. So there's this weird connection here. But here, take a look at this. When the Kansas City Chiefs have won the Super Bowl, they've got 4 Super Bowl wins. It's right. Let me find it here. Here it is. Kansas City Chiefs. Right here. 4 Super Bowl wins, the average return of the S&P 500, 15.19% or 15.9%. That's a 5th all-time for all that. So I hate to say it, but I'm going to be rooting for the Chiefs from the standpoint of I'm in the financial business. I got a lot of client assets tied to all this stuff. How about them Chiefs? That's what Andy Reid would say. That's what Bill Wilkins is saying. How about them Chiefs? Let's go Chiefs.